Hi, this is Kumar Singh. So the Maverick topic, right, that we are going to discuss is going to be around this. Right? So what essentially this paper is about is it's trying to connect the audio and video aspects, right? It's using unsupervised learning. So there is a connection between the audio and the video. There is a context, right? So for example, there could be a scrambled audio of a video, and the algorithm can try to understand the context and match the audio with the video, right? And this is unsupervised learning, so there's no label data. We let the algorithm decipher the connection, right? So what's the Maverick part here? What needs brainstorming? What needs brainstorming is that if you look at the architecture, it has applications beyond this specific use case. So in this specific use case, we are focused more on content, right? Like video generation, more from a content perspective, maybe marketing or any video that has been generated for marketing purposes or any other purposes. But there is another aspect to it when we are leveraging smart cameras to capture videos, right? Not for marketing purposes or for distribution purposes, but for some other purposes for performing analytics, right? So in that case, this type of algorithm can be extrapolated, and we can incorporate additional data points like sound, any form of noise or sound, right? And connect them, right? Try to understand what's going on in the context of these different data points. So an example can be asset management, right? Where you have an asset that we already kind of measure vibration, we measure sound. In different assets, there is video monitoring as well. Then you may be measuring the composition of the gas that's being formed, things like that. So think about something like this, extrapolating something like this in that context, right? It kind of provides you a whole different capability, and because of the unsupervised nature of it, it can mine new information, new linkages that we do not know, as in what kind of sound change, what kind of change in the sound pattern actually leads to certain kind of activity within, say, a gas tank, or within say a engine, an aircraft engine, things like that. So that's the Maverick part, right? The opportunities to extrapolate, obviously, as the article suggests, there is a opportunity in the future to integrate this with LLMs, but in the short term, if you think beyond LLMs, there are immense opportunities, not beyond LLMs, but keeping LLMs aside, there are immense opportunities to actually leverage this for many different use cases other than the one that's currently being shared.